Hello students, welcome to e-learning classes of PN Amercy High School. Today we are going to start new chapter number 13, exponents and powers. Students, let us start with a new chapter number 13, exponent and powers introduction. Repeated multiplication of the same number can be expressed in the form of exponents. Students, if any number is repeatedly multiplied, so that number can be expressed in the form of exponents. For example, 625. If we find out the factors of 625, then we can write it as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. अगर आप 5 को 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 625. So, in the place of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, you can write 5 raised to power 4. ये 4 जो नंबर है वो जितनी बार जो नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है, जैसे 5 1 2 3 4 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे आपको 5 के ऊपर 4 लिखना है. सो वी विल से इट एज 5 रेज टू पावर 4. हियर स्टूडेंट्स, 5 इज द बेस एंड 4 इज द एक्सपोनेंट और पावर. जो 5 है वो बेस है एंड 4 जो है वो एक्सपोनेंट है, एंड इट इज रेड एज 5 रेज टू पावर 4 और 4th पावर ऑफ 5. And 5 raised to power 4 is the exponential form of 6 to 625. Students, 625 का exponential form जो होता है वो इस तरह से लिखा जाता है 5 raised to power 4. Now next topic is powers with negative exponents. Numbers can have positive powers which are called positive index. Example, a to the power n, that is a multiplied by a multiplied by a n times. And numbers can also have negative powers such as a is to raised to negative m. So we have to convert it into positive power. For that we will write 1 upon a raised to power m. Students, जो एक्सपोनेंट है वो नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल है a is to raised to negative m. तो जो नेगेटिव साइन है वो रिमूव करने के लिए आपको a को डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. सो वी विल राइट इट एज 1 अपॉन a रेज टू पावर m. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स. पावर विथ लाइक बेस. नाउ वेरी फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट इज a इज टू पावर n मल्टीप्लाई बाय a रेज टू पावर m. हियर द पावर्स हैव विथ लाइक बेस, मीन्स द बेस इज सेम एंड पावर्स आर डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे जो बेस है वो सेम है, दोनों में जो बेस है वो a है, बट पावर्स डिफरेंट है. So here students, what you will write, base you will write one time, and here multiply sign is given, so powers we will add. So here we will write a raised to power n plus m. For example, 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 4. Here the base is same, that is 3, so 3 we will write here as it is, and the powers we will add because here multiplication sign is given. So 2 plus 4 we will write here, so the answer will be 3 raised to power 6. Next is a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, where n is greater than m. जब न्यूमरेटर का जो पावर है वो डिनोमिनेटर के पावर से बड़ा होगा, so the answer will be a raised to power n minus m. Here division is there, so the powers we will subtract. In previous law multiplication was there, so the powers we have added. Here division is there, so the powers we will subtract. So here we will write a raised to power n minus m. For example, 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 3. Here the n is 5 and m is 3. So here n is greater than m, so 2 we will write as it is, and because there is division sign, so we will subtract 3 from 5. So here we will write 2 raised to power 5 minus 3, that is 2 raised to power 2. Next, a is raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, where m is greater than n, then 1 upon a raised to power m minus n. I will explain you this with the help of example. Here 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 5. Here students, in denominator the power is greater, means here n is 3 and m is 5, where m is greater than n. जब m जो है वो n से बड़ा है, so we will subtract it in here downwards. So here we will write 1 divided by 2 raised to power 5 minus 3. So here we will do the division here. So 1 upon 2 raised to power 2. Next is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power minus m. So here a raised to power m we will write as it is multiplied by, to remove this negative sign we will bring this a raised to power m down as denominator. So we will write here as 1 upon a raised to power m. This a raised to power m and this a raised to power m we will cut, as it is this is in numerator and this is written in denominator. So we will cut a raised to power m from above the line and below the line. So the answer will be 1. Now the next law is power of power. Here the first law is a raised to power n, outside bracket m power is written. So here you can see that one power is inside the bracket and one power is written outside the bracket. So these two we will multiply here and write a to the raised to power n multiplied by m. I will explain you this law with the help of an example. Here example 2 raised to power 3 bracket close, and here the power is written 2. So here inside the bracket 3 power is given and outside the bracket 2 power is given. So we will multiply this 3 and 2. So here we will write 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. So the answer is 2 raised to power 6. Now next law is exponent 0. A raised to power m multiplied by 1 upon a raised to power m equals to 1. Here students, this a raised to power m and this a raised to power m you will subtract. So m minus m will be 0. And here the answer is a raised to power 0. If the base has power as 0, then the answer will be 1. So students, किसी भी बेस का अगर पावर 0 है तो उसका आंसर 1 होगा. Now next topic is powers with unlike base and same exponent. Here we will find the laws in which the base are different and powers are same. First law is a raised to power n multiplied by b raised to power n. Here in both the case the powers are same but the bases are different. So what we will do, we will multiply this a with b, a multiplied by b raised to power n. For example, 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. Here the bases are different and powers are same. So we will multiply this 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. That is 2 multiplied by 3 6 raised to power 2. Now here a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. Here both the bases are different but the powers are same. So what we will do here, we will write a upon b and common power we will write in outside the bracket as n. For example, 3 raised to power 3 divided by 4 raised to power 3. So here first we will write 3 upon 4 raised to power 3. Now 3 raised to power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 we will multiply 3 times. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 4 also we will multiply 3 times. 4 into 4 will be 64. So 27 divided by 64 will be 0.42. Here if we divide, recurring numbers will come. So here we will write it as 0.42. Now students, let us start with exercise 13.1. Question number 1. Find the value of. Students, we have to find the value of these numbers. Now solution for exercise 13.1 question number 1. Find the value of. First one is 2 raised to power 6. Means 2 raised to power 6 means we have to write 2 6 times. 2 raised to power 6 का मतलब है आपको 2 6 times लिखना है. So here you will write 2 multiply by 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 2. इस तरह से आपको 6 times 2 लिखना है. Now you have to multiply these numbers. 2 multiply by 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64. So the value of 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Now second part of question number 1, you have to find out the value of 9 raised to power 3. So here we will write 9 raised to power 3, that is 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. You have to write 9 3 times. So 9 9s is 81, 81 9s is 729. So the value of 9 raised to power 3 is 729. Students, in this way, third and fourth part of question number 1, you have to do it by yourself. Question number 2 of exercise 13.1. Express the following in exponential form. Now, solution for question number 2. Here we have to express these in the exponential form. First one, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Here students, 6 is the base and we have written 6 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the power will be 4. So we have to write 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 as 6 raised to power 4 in exponential form. Second is t multiplied by t. Here t 2 times is given. So here we will write t raised to power 2. इस तरह से आपको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में t मल्टीप्लाई बाय t को लिखना है. थर्ड वन b मल्टीप्लाई बाय b मल्टीप्लाई बाय b मल्टीप्लाई बाय b. Here b is written 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So here we will write b as the base and 4 as exponent. That is b raised to power 4. Next is fourth part of question number 2. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Here first the base is 5 and we have written 5, 1, 2 times, so the power will be 2, multiply 7 we will write here and 7 is written 3 times, so here we will write 3. So the answer is 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 7 raised to power 3. Fifth one, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a. Now here 2 we have written 2 times, so 2 raised to 2 multiplied by a is also written 2 times. So the answer is 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by a raised to power 2. Sixth and the last one, a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by d. Here a is written 1, 2, 3 times, so the power is 3. Multiply by c we will write here, c is written 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so here we will write 4. Multiply by d is written 1 time. So students, here we will write the answer as a raised to power 3 multiplied by c raised to power 4 multiplied by d. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.